Future Phone Flash Fam. Glowing star today, we're diving into the latest buzz in the smartphone world. And it's all about Vivo's next big thing, the Vivo V30 Pro. Let's unpack everything we know so far about this intriguing device that's set to redefine the mid-range smartphone game. Vivo has already graced us with the V30 and V30 Lite, making waves across the globe. But hold on to your seats because there's a new contender stepping into the ring, the Vivo V30 Pro. This device is rumored to be Vivo's most advanced mid-range phone yet, and we've got all the juicy details. Comparing it to its sibling, the S18 Pro, which boasts a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor and up to 16 GB RAM, the Vivo V30 Pro is not far behind. While we're looking at similar top-notch features, the V30 Pro is expected to have its own set of impressive specs, including a triple camera setup that's sure to capture every moment with clarity. Imagine having a 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate right in the palm of your hand. Combine that with a triple camera array, and you've got a device that's as much about performance as it is about capturing life's moments beautifully. A robust 5000 mAh battery powers the device, ensuring you stay connected longer. But that's not all. The Vivo V30 and V30 Pro are coming to India with something special. They're featuring ZEISS co-engineered cameras, tailored specifically for the Indian market. The anticipation is real as we await the launch of both the V30 and V30 Pro in India this March. There's a buzz that these phones are designed with the Indian consumer in mind, which means we can expect some tailored features that cater specifically to the market's needs. Thanks to some leaked renders, we've got a sneak peek at the Vivo V30 Pro's design, showing off two stunning color variants. And if you're curious about the specs, we're talking a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Society, up to 12 GB RAM, and that's just the beginning. Sporting a sleek design with curved edges and a central punch-hole camera, the Vivo V30 Pro is as stylish as it is powerful. The back features a unique camera island with 3 lenses and the iconic ZEISS branding, promising top-notch photography capabilities. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on the Vivo V30 Pro's launch. Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The future of mid-range smartphones is about to get a lot more exciting. We've got some electrifying news about the Vivo V30 Pro that's bound to spark your interest. Let's dive into the details of what's shaping up to be a groundbreaking smartphone. Get ready for a tour of its sleek design, powerhouse specs, and some cutting-edge features that are making waves even before its official launch. Future in your hands with the Vivo V30 Pro, available in striking black and green colors. This beauty boasts curved edges and a central punch-hole camera that screams elegance. Flip it over, and you're greeted by a meticulously designed camera island, split into 2 segments for an unparalleled photography experience. With ZEISS branding on the top portion's triple camera setup and a smart aura light, this phone isn't just smart, it's genius. Feast your eyes on the 6.78-inch AMOLED display, offering a visual spectacle with 2800 nit peak brightness, a resolution of 2800 x 1260p, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching, the Vivo V30 Pro promises an immersive experience that's hard to beat. Capture life in its fullest with the triple-threat rear camera setup, consisting of a 50 megapixels main, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and 50 megapixels portrait telephoto, all backed by ZEISS for that professional touch. And let's not overlook the 50 megapixels front camera, ensuring your selfie game is as strong as your photography skills. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Society ensures lightning-fast performance, supported by up to 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM and a whopping 512 GB UFS 3.1 storage. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking and gaming. With a 5000 mAh battery and 80W charging support, the Vivo V30 Pro keeps you powered throughout the day and beyond. Forget the days of charging anxiety. This device has got your back. Shipped with Android 14-based FuntouchOS 14, the Vivo V30 Pro offers a user-friendly interface packed with the latest features. NFC support is also on board, making transactions and connections easier than ever. Weighing in at 188 grams with dimensions of 164.4 mm by 75.1 mm by 7.5 mm, the Vivo V30 Pro is not just sleek but also durable with IP54 dust and water resistance. Bring on the adventures without a second thought. The countdown has begun for the Vivo V30 Pro's launch, with the entire series eagerly anticipated in India next month. Tuned for the official announcement and get ready to welcome the future of mid-range smartphones. And in case you missed it, the front camera sensor details have now been revealed, adding even more excitement to the mix. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you loved this flash into the future, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from Future Phone Flash. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Welcome to Future Phone Flash, where we dive into the latest tech trends and reveal the future of smartphones.